Hey, hi, what's up? So, I recently faced a problem in PayPal. One of my clients sent me a $100 payment twice, okay, by mistake. So, I received $200. Okay, so kindly check my computer screen. So, here I received $200. PayPal already cut the fees. So, it shows $188. Okay, so now problem is how I refund the amount. And I also deducted $35, which is a previous bill. So I sent to my client balance payment 65. Okay. So firstly you need to go there, click on it, and click on issue refund. Okay. Click here, and there is the option where you fill how much amount you send. Okay. So I fill $65, just 65. Okay. And press click. Okay. So here you go, that's it. Yeah, it's a simple step. Okay, so I thought this video is very helpful for you. Okay, so please comment, share and subscribe, and if you found this video is helpful for you, so kindly comment below. It's give me motivation. Yeah, okay, thank you, bye.